Turning to the California wildfire, President Trump was greeted on the tarmac yesterday by Governor Gavin Newsom at LAX. The two took an aerial tour of the damage on Marine One. Then President Trump visited a neighborhood devastated by the Palisades fire and spoke with firefighters and people impacted. Well, the governor has been vocal about disagreements with the president over the wildfire response. Newsom emphasized the need for continued federal assistance. The president said he will declare a national emergency for these fires.
We're going to waive, essentially waive all federal permits. We're going to have you go very quickly because a federal permit can take 10 years. We're not going to do that. We don't want to take 10 days.
Trump said he was shocked to see such devastation. According to the California Fire Department, more than 16,000 structures have been destroyed by this fire. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, during the roundtable, said the city is going to slash regulations to help with the rebuild.